Shopify inbox tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and set up your live chat on your Shopify app store. As you can see in my store right here, I don't have the chat box or the live chat box right here, but I will make it right here and you will see it. It is a very customizable and easy to do. All you have to do is to go to your Shopify store, then you click on the search bar right here and you click, or you can write inbox, simply inbox, and search in the Shopify app store like this. It will be appearing an app or a bunch of apps that we don't need, only we need the official one from Shopify, which is this. It has this logo, Shopify inbox. We click on it. It is a free app that we can install. All you have to do is to install it. It is very simple, nothing complicated right here. All you have to do is to follow up these steps, and of course you can do these steps with your own, with a little help from our tutorial. Here we click on install to give the permission for the app to appear right here on the app section and give it or the parameters that it needs. Right here we have the app installed and we have the dashboard or the overview board right here. The app is going to be installed on the sales channels directly. It will not be appearing on the apps right here, but it is a app, so bear with it. Right here we have this overview. You can read the messages that you have on your chat or your email, or you can also manage to send the chats or the messages to your inbox. Right here, online store chat is off. I'm going to set it up right here by clicking on that button. Here it will guide us to the theme editor. It is very simple. Here we are going to see the apps embedded, and right here online store chat is right here. As you can see, it has appeared right here. I can customize it with the background color. For example, let's go ahead and put it with the, not the white, let's go, you can customize it and put it with this blue. This can go well with my theme. And right here you can customize the text. Right here you can put it the which color that you want. You can put also a code right here, or choose the color from this rainbow right here. Now I am going to set it as white. And for the button, you can set the color of the button to your likes and you are good to go. You can put it white, or you can put it gray, or whatever you want. Here for the, I don't need this box anymore. In this icon section you have the choice to put whatever you want on the icon right here. We have the chat bubble like this. This is the chat bubble. And we have the email. It will be appearing a email or a envelope right here. We have the question mark for those who has any concerns or any questions. And we have the smiley face. And team, you can go to see a team icon like this. Hand wave. It is simple, so it will look like the reaction buttons or reaction icons. Or you can put no icon right here. For the label, you can put right here. You have a lot of choices. For example, I will go with the chat bubble and delete the text from it. I will let only the chat bubble like this. This is very sophisticated. You can put also need help. This is the label. Or you can put messages. Or you can put the chat or live chat like it was. This is the definition of the title of the video, live chat or inbox tutorial. And you can put also the chat and leave it right here. After you have finished the modification that you have made, all you have to do is to click on save right here. Here we have the horizontal position. You can put it to the left or to the right. I highly suggest you to put it to the right of the screen. The vertical position, you have here the choices to put the lower, the lowest, the higher, or the highest. Right here, it is up to you to customize this, but I am going to do with the lowest. The greeting message right here, hi, message us to with any question. We are happy to help. You can customize this message right here and put whatever you want, or let it right here as a standard. You can see right here it will pop up right here. I will go ahead and customize the message. Hello, thank you for like this messaging us. What is the problem? Like this, for example. Let's go with a problem. Or for example, or you can put it right here. Hello, thank you for, or I will go ahead and leave this like this. I will go ahead and put thank you for messaging us. We will be in touch soon. This is the best form that you can have on the live messages, or you can leave, for example, if you want to the chat like this, you are giving it like this, and you are good to go. All you have to do is to click on save. I am going to show you the messages. For example, this is the inbox. We have the chat settings. We can put here, you can have the availability right here, and you can go ahead and customize the store or the online store. Right here you have the instant questions. You have also the suggested questions or for your store to this chat. You can create an instant answer. You can pre-chat, make a pre-chat form, or you can put a quick replies right here. You can put whatever you want. I will show you the live chat button live right here. I will click on here, and then I will put hello, I need some help like this, and I will wait to or I will go to the store and see whatever we want, or what soever we have a message or not. Right here we have an unread message. When you click on view messages, you will be guided to the page of the messages, inbox.shopify.com. This is the inbox messages or inbox link. Right here you can put a answer for the customer, and you are good to go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon.